Hi, fifth grade. Today I'm going to show you how to fold your circle into the 8 pie pieces. You're really just going to fold it in half 3 times. So line it up along the edges as best as you can and make your crease. That's the first fold. Okay, fold it in half again. And here's your second fold. Okay, make sure the creases are really nice. And then fold it in half a third time. All right, so this is the size we're looking for where we will create our design, okay? When you open it back up again, you'll see that there's 4 pie sections on the top and 4 on the bottom for a total of 8.